Alright everyone, we're doing this right control arm because the bushing in the back is pretty much shot. But really the hardest part, next to removing the ball joint right here, if you can see that, I don't know, I think is going to be removing this, because you almost have to remove this out of the way, and we'll see how hard that gets to be. But I'm going to disconnect it here on both sides and swing that down so I can access this bolt right here and pull it out that way, okay? And then I know this, you know, from the other video, just replace that strut and it's working great. We're going to try to loosen that up and see what happens and see if we can get it out without destroying it. And then that will make our lives super duper easy, okay? So let's give it a shot. This arm is aluminum supposedly. The new part is super heavy though, but it's okay. So we got to remove this splash shield, this plastic thing. There's several, these 10mm. Okay, so just go in reverse and just take those out. There are several on this, and there's also some plastic retainers here that I've already removed. So let's get that out. Let's get that out of the way, okay? All right, started with the ball joint here, and that's a 24mm, and I got it loose. So now I'm going to put a separator on here and see if I can get it to separate so that I don't have to take this out, so I don't have to disconnect all this stuff, and hopefully I can just separate this out. At least that's my, because otherwise I'll be taking the whole knuckle off, okay? And taking the shaft out, and I don't want to do that. So let's see what we can do. All right, I zipped these out with 16mm. They came right out, and then now the entire sway bar is just dangling here. Now I can get to this bolt. So all right, let's take the front one off. Put an impact on it. 21. All right, there we go. All right, that one came off, and then now we got to do the aluminum ones in the back. Mount here, and then there's one right here. Okay, this one's gonna be kind of tricky to get to, right? Oh, I don't even know you can see. I'm sorry, too tight. So let's see. Okay, I got all the bolts out, and I'm gonna try to swing this out now. Loosen all that, and then we're gonna try to drop this. By the way, there's a little metal disc on this side, so make sure you put that back in there. Yeah. So, and then if I can tilt this out enough, yeah, perfect. We can get the nut loose. Yeah. Okay, so I got a pole jack this morning, so we're gonna get that done, and then let's get the rest of it buttoned up. Okay, I got this tightened back up. If you don't have a 24mm, you can use a 15/16. But I got this the strut mount back tightened. I got the bolts. I put some load on it, so this bushing wouldn't be in the wrong orientation. So I put a jack under here and jacked it up, and now I'm just tightening up the stabilizer link, and that's it. Now we can put the underside back together, and this is the end of a project. Okay, so this was a control arm for a Mercedes GL320 CDI, and yeah, it's not too bad. Everything came apart okay, but if it doesn't, then you always run into problems. But this one wasn't horrible today. All right, good luck. Take care.